A little about me, just to introduce myself. I've been in the hotel industry. I've been very fortunate to have worked in the hotel industry my entire working life. And I looked about hospitality through an international lens, even though I'm back in Helsinki. Had an opportunity to work in 4 continents, spent 7 years in the States, and a long period in Asia, ranging from Southeast Asia in Bali to South Korea to Jeju Island, where I opened a hotel, and then again back to Finland for a short time. And all this time I was either a general manager or project manager for a hotel. And so this has learned me quite a bit about learning about culture. And I think the key thing is that when you go to a new place for a new destination, is to listen very carefully and learn about the manners and the culture, and do not try to impose about where you're coming from, but try to adapt a little bit and provide value and that people can cherish and remember you from. I'm back now in Helsinki since 9 years after my corporate career was completed, and I'm now very actively involved in architecture, even though I'm not an architect, but I joined an architecture firm in Helsinki called the Studio Puisto Architects, who are creating some interesting designs. And well, my tram is coming now here, so I'm going to finish this video and I will catch and tell you more tomorrow. Thanks.